What do you call a grumpy reindeer? Rudolph. Stick around to learn how to draw a reindeer. First, draw a U at the center of your drawing paper. Next, add ears. Once you're ready, we're going to connect the top of the ears. Inside the ears, we're going to draw 2 semicircles. Now draw the eyes. I like to draw another line on the inside to add some dimension. Next, add the nose. It's going to be in the shape of an oval. Now draw the mouth. It's going to look like a wide W. Last but not least, draw the antlers. You can take your time on this step. When you're finished, color your drawing. Here are some of the colors that I used, but feel free to choose your own. For more art tutorials, head to twinkl.com.